Sinulog Foundation andam na alang sa Sinulog Grand Parade karong Domingo. Si Executive Director Ricky Ballesteros ni butyag sa estado karon sa ticket sales mga awhag sa mga moapil nga contingents ug ang wow factor sa grand finale.
I think we're on schedule, no? We're on schedule. So we're just finishing the stage. So we're concentrating now on the finale. So our program, the finale. So we're going to have a dress technical rehearsal by Saturday. So we hope we can finish everything from the costuming to the backdrops, no, and of course the from the music that we're going to use, the ABP that we're going to use. So most of our prepare lang is for the final rehearsal, drastic rehearsal for the grand finale. I think most of the out of town contingents will arrive by tomorrow. So nanay nangabot diri mga mga taga Samar, Katbalogan Samar, Placer Masbate, Abuyog, Alang-alang. And probably by tomorrow ang Tanggob. So ang ato mapaabot na lang ang taga North Cotabato, which is the farthest out of town contingent. Well, like it's picking up, no? Usually like siguro by starting tomorrow, no? Mo pick up again na siya. But we still have available tickets. So we encourage them to provide to come up with different concept, especially on the music, no? The music also there has to be kinahanglan na dynamics. So di lang a flat ka isa na all drums, monotonous kay paminawon. So this time we encourage them and we allow them to use electronic assisted instruments. Yeah, last Sunday I think one of the contingent used the violin, and it really sounds good. And they can also hear sounds of different sounds of animals. So that's one way also of raising the standard. We only stop ang ato presentation if there's a storm signal na. But rain or shine ever since. Ever since. No? One time nagbaha na pero sayo man gihapon. Our finale is very historical and educational at the same time. So this will be the first time that it's just like a travelogue siya. So since we're celebrating 450th year presence of Augustinian Fathers in the Philippines, 50th year founding of the Holy Child Jesus, and 50th year anniversary of Basilica. So nakita na to atong main facade is the Basilica del Santo Niño for the backdrop. Then sa finale na to ato nang gihimong murag siya travelogue ani, dance drama. And Miguel Lopez Legazpi arrived in the Philippines, in Cebu, and he gave the Holy Child, San Niño Santo Jesus, King and Queen Juana, King Humabon and Queen Juana. The people started to dance. No? And the arrival of the first Augustinian Fathers in the Philippines, to the declaration of the Basilica del Santo Niño as a basilica. And of course, to the present day, the Sinulog is now being celebrated all over the world.